San fam, welcome back to Small Home Living with your girl Sandia G. If you're new here, welcome to Alma Returning Subbies. You don't know your girl feel about you. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, put your notification bell on so you'll be in the know when your girl upload new content. So in today's video, guys, we are going to be doing a mini makeover on my coffee/beverage bar. So as you guys know, I've had these shelves on my wall for a number of years now, and I just wanted to give the space a refresh. So what I'm going to do is I'm removing the iron portion of it, and then I'm going to take it outside and I'm going to spray paint it. So I'm using the acrylic spray paint in the color gold from Home Depot. Guys, you should try this one because it is the best spray paint to use. Not because I work at the Home Depot, but it is actually the best spray paint to use when you want to get a beautiful finish on your metal pieces that you want to do a makeover on. So I am going to be spraying them. Guys, it was so cold outside, but I had to get it done and I wanted to do this refresh before the end of the year. So I decided to get it done. I'm also spray painting like my socket covers and stuff like that. So I am going to be doing that as well. The next thing I want to do is I had some holes on the wall that I wanted to patch. Some of them been sitting there for a while, and I decided to just give the space a nice little cute refresh, if you may say so. I am going to be doing my backsplash up this wall. However, I just wanted it to be really neat and clean because I'm gonna be honest with you, those holes, they were irritating me, right? They honestly were irritating me for a good little while. I am using the Satin Bear paint. This is in the color Riversdale. So that's the color that is on my wall, and the finish is the satin finish. I use satin in the kitchen because it is easily cleaned. It is the texture that you can wipe and you don't have that much shine in it. For me, I don't see a lot of shine. And the paint is the Bear paint, the Premium Plus. So I did purchase a sample. I do have it in the 5-gallon drug. Believe me, I do. Keg, as what they would call it. But I just went ahead and purchased the sample because I needed something to just do some touch up around the home. I am going to let the paint dry, and then I'm going to come back in and clean up the area, as well as try to start doing my due diligence on my coffee bar wall. So after cleaning, I went back and picked up these. This is the next day. I let them stay on the porch overnight so they can be properly dried. What I'm going to be doing now is screwing them back onto the board pieces that I removed them from. I got these from Ross some years ago, and I did pay about, I think it's like $13 I paid per piece. So I did pick up 3 pieces. I got these, I want to say about 4 or 5 years now. One of the best purchases that I've made in Ross to go into my kitchen, to be honest. Really love them. So I am going to attach them. I'm going to place them back on the wall. And when I tell you guys, they turned out absolutely beautiful. I am so in love with my coffee bar area now. This is absolutely beautiful. But just wait and see when I put them on the wall, and then leave a comment down below, guys, and tell me what you think and if I made the best decision taking out the silver and replacing the silver with gold. I think it coordinates more with the space, and it did give the space a beautiful, nice, updated refresh that is acceptable right now for you, girl, right? So just let me know what you guys think.
And how you used to tell me that everything's alright. Held me close beside the fire, made a wish upon a star. Such a magic time.
So the next thing I want to do is to bring back in my socket covers and my switch cover as well. I want to bring those back into the space and attach them back to the area. And as you guys can see, it is a well needed updated touch to the space. I really, really love it. I know I'm going to enjoy it. And when I bring the backsplash into the space, it will coordinate well with the changes I've made to the socket metal pieces that covers the socket. So I am loving the fact that I did decide to go this route. The gold is in my backsplash, so it will coordinate and synchronize very much with the space. What I'm pretty much doing now is attaching them. I'm going to screw them in, and then I am going to wipe down the area again and make sure that the area is spot clean. Because if you know anything about your girl, you know some I love when time a space clean, right? I love when those areas are very much cleaned before I do any design on any areas that I am going to be styling. So guys, we are done. Look at how gorgeous this look. Look at how this coordinates so nicely with the space. I am loving it. This is absolutely beautiful. So guys, let's get into styling now, right? So I picked up this beautiful Noel sign from, I think I got this from Burlington. Oh, this is a piece one. So I picked up this beautiful peace sign. So I got the Noel and I got the peace. And I think I'm going to be placing the Noel somewhere else. For some reason, I thought it was a Noel sign. I got this beautiful diamond, beautiful tree from, I want to say I got this from Marshall's. So I picked this up from Marshall's and I decided to pair both of them on the top shelf. So just how beautiful that is, guys. That is absolutely beautiful. Loving it. Pick it up from Marshall's. It wasn't something I did in any of my shopping hauls. I think I paid like $16 for that piece. So if you guys are looking for something like that, you still haven't gotten everything for your Christmas decor, you can go ahead and run over to Marshall's and get that. That was a piece that I recently got. So yes, I am loving what this is giving so far on the top shelf. I am going to be added some glass that I have from Ross. I picked these up about 2-3 years ago. So I'll be adding those on the top shelf. Now on the middle shelf, I will also be adding some glasses as well. Those I got those from Home Goods. So those have like some little diamonds on them and I really, really love those. So I'll be adding those on the second shelf. And to top the area off, I will be placing this pine cone that I am placing here. Love, love, love that. So here are the glass that I was telling you about. I did pick these up from Home Goods. I've had these now, I want to say around 3 to 4 years. I do have a lot of glasswares in my home. A lot, like too much. And I used to love doing tablescapes. And for some reasons, I don't have the time to do tablescapes the way I used to do them. Now, this is like my mixing set. I did pick this up from Ross, I want to say about 3 years ago as well. I did pick up a lot of stuff. And I'm just finding my stuff now and I'm placing them in the area because I want to start making like different type of drinks in the home. Now these are the cups I've been hunting. So guys, I have these in like 3 different colors. But this one, I went into the store, I want to say about 4 or 5 days ago and found 3. And I drove to another store and I found one with one of the others that I have. No, they sold that last one as a pair. And I was like, So these Ralph Lauren cups is going to be staying in my collection. Now this cheese board, I picked it up from Home Goods some time ago. I did tell you guys that I was going to use it in the area. I did decide to keep using my regular smuggler storage containers for like my coffee, my right here I have sugar. So I have white real sugar. It's not granulated sugar. I have my coffee, I have my chocolate, and I have my cappuccino. What I'm going to bring into the area next is a kettle that I picked up from my spot. It is from Amazon, and that piece is also listed in my Amazon store. So I'm bringing that in. I am also going to be bringing in my espresso machine. I got that from my spot. Again, you see all the colors are going to be coordinating beautifully together. And I got that from my spot. This is also Amazon Fine. I am going to be having this in my Amazon store as well. And I will be leaving the Amazon store link down below. I will also try to link as much as I can, singular, for you guys to see. Now, these teacups set, so this is like a teacup set, and I picked this up from Ross. I want to say about 2-3 years ago as well. So I'm going to be placing that on my machine. Then I am going to be bringing into the area now some chargers. So these, I think I got these from Home Goods, and then my mixer for like my milk and stuff like that. Now this basket, I did pick it up at Home Goods some time ago. I want to say around fall. I picked up these containers as well that I have my Oreo in. And then as a Jamaican, your girl don't have to have our crackers in our kitchen. Me not care what nobody wants to say. What is a kitchen as a Jamaican without some tough crackers to drink some tea when you have gas? If you know, you know. Please drop a comment down below if you know what I am talking about with the crackers, the milk, or the crackers and your ginger tea, and just bust some gas. Let me know down below. I'm also bringing in this beautiful tea. It's like a tea cup, kind of gold and board design. This one says coffee than the world. You know, your girl have to have her coffee in the morning. And these are my syrup containers. And then to top this tray off, I am going to be bringing in this beautiful floral arrangement with a poinsettia. I picked this up from Home Goods, I want to say about 3 years ago as well. Now, these little things, I picked them up from my spot. These were in the bin. I got them for $3. I think I got like about 4 of the big pieces, and then I got like about 4 of the smaller ones as well. Just absolutely beautiful. You're going to be seeing these around my home. I did drape them with my ribbons that I picked up from Amazon as well. And these are all Amazon stuff. And I did put a piece of gold floral picks that I picked up from Hobby Lobby in the center. So that is going to top off the area. Now, guys, let me show you what the space is looking like. I did pick up something else, and you guys will see that in a future video. So guys, I want to say a special thank you. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate your love and your support. I hope that you are enjoying the video. Please drop a like, a share, a comment. If you reach this far in the video, you know, subscribe yet? What are you waiting for? It don't cost a thing. And until next time, guys, as I've always said, please take care of yourself. Call somebody. Take care of yourself. But call somebody, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.